Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete a ticket in Jira. So navigate to the project where you want to delete your ticket. I will open up the list view and then choose a ticket that you want to delete. Click on this field to select it and then simply press delete right here. Type delete in this column to confirm your deletion and click delete button right here. Now delete is successful, as you can see, and you can also delete multiple items if you want. Just select them like so, or select all of them just by clicking onto this square. Now select delete and type delete again and select delete. It is really this simple to delete a ticket, so this is how you do that. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.